Life is like a roller coaster. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. There are moments of joy and moments of struggle. At times, difficulties surround us so much that it feels like all doors are closed. But in Surah Al-Inshirah, Allah gives us a beautiful promise, not once, but twice. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. This is not just a comforting statement. It is a promise from Allah, and Allah never breaks His promises. Did you notice? Allah did not say, ease comes after hardship, but He said, with hardship comes ease. This means that while you are going through a trial, ease is also unfolding alongside it. You just need to look for it. After the darkest night, the sun always rises. No matter how long the night is, the sun always shines again. Similarly, no matter how hard life gets, ease will surely follow. After the rain comes the rainbow. When the storm passes, the sky clears and a beautiful rainbow appears. This is exactly what the Quran teaches us. Hardships are temporary, but the beauty that follows is worth the wait. What can we learn from this ayah? Never lose hope. If today is tough, tomorrow will be better. Every trial has a hidden wisdom that we understand later. Trust Allah because He always brings ease after every difficulty. If you're going through a tough time, don't think it will last forever. Instead, remind yourself that, indeed, with hardship comes ease.